Hello friends and potential friends. Well, today is January 30th, 2021, and I'm finally going to get out here and dig up my turmeric and my ginger. See what I found. Let's start with the turmeric. As you can see, it's all died off. I think you can see that. And now it's time to get in there and see what we got. So we start into the first one. You can see there's some roots and tubers showing up on there. And some worms. Nice guy. I need to start me a vermiculture bin. That's the fourth worm I found this week. There's some nice roots there. I got quite a few more in here. That's some nice looking roots out of the first spot. Now let's see what the second one's got to offer. Seems to be concentrated on this one side. Not a bad clump of tubers there either. Now let's get me some rainwater and see what we got that cleans up to. that's not a bad haul. Let's see if you can see that here. Oh yeah, that'll give me a little bit that I can dry out and powder up, and I'll be saving a lot to plant again for the coming year. But overall, I'm pretty happy with that one. I'm gonna get rid of this water and we'll go on to the ginger. And hopefully, to give a little bit of point of reference, that's all of the turmeric in my colander. It's just a standard size colander, but it came pretty close to filling it up. That's a pretty good haul. Now for the ginger, as you can see there, some of it's still got some green left in it. Looks like I've got 4 of the little pots, 1 plant in each one, and 2 of the larger pots, which I think I originally planted 2 in each one. So let's get into the ginger. Start off with this little pot. This one has not completely died off yet, but we'll see what we got in there. Oh, there's another worm. That's a good sign. And as for the roots, there's not a whole lot there. That could have gone a while longer, but I'll take it. There's another earthworm. Again, not a lot of tubers there. So let's keep going. Oh, this one's going to be fun. This one managed to grow through the bottom of the pot. And it feels like there's something in there. Not to mention these 2 balls that I think I'll mention might be some sort of a seed ball. See if I can get away from the sun a little bit. Not sure what those are, but it looks like we've got a little bit more ginger in this one. There's some nice chunks in there. And get the ones up to play with. Now we got 1 more small pot. Get the weeds out of here. And the plant itself. Not too bad. Yeah, that's not a bad tuber. And now we'll dig into this big pot. This one's got 2 plants growing in it. And it looks like it tried to fill up the pot. Get that plant out of the way. And that's a nice root. Nice one. Scrape most of the dirt off of there. That's not bad. And one more. This one's tied off, but not without giving me something to dig for. And that's another pretty good one. I can't complain about the harvest. Oops, in fact, I missed one. Part of that might be the original that I planted. So let's see if I can rinse this off a little bit. Okay, so there's my ginger haul. Let's see if that's showing up good. There we go. That's not a bad haul either. I'm satisfied with both of those. And if you've been watching my older videos, when I planted this stuff, you know I also planted some ginger and turmeric in one of my raised beds. Those plants have also died off. Hardly any of the ginger actually came up this year in the raised bed, but a lot of the turmeric did. Gets a lot more shade than the potted plants. And going forward, I can tell you I'll be planting the ginger in pots from here on out. And it seems to have done a lot better than trying to put it directly in the ground. And so there's my final ginger and turmeric harvest for this year. I'm pretty happy with both of them. And incidentally, my buddy up the street harvested his ginger a few days ago, and he brought some down to me. So let's see what he got out of his gardens. Didn't rinse it off very much, but that's some pretty good stuff. And I happen to know that he kept a lot more than he brought down to me. But that one right there is probably well over a pound, even after I get the dirt off of it. So I'm going to be having plenty of ginger to dry out and use, plenty of turmeric to dry out and use, and I'm still going to have plenty to plant next year. Overall, I think that's a pretty good deal. And there's the whole haul, including what Buddy brought down to me. I've got a nice selection this year. Well, I think that does it for me, and I'll see you on the next video.